when you think Aruba, you think sunshine and good time and the food.
That's what Aruba is so amazing, because it has so many wonderful restaurants.
The local food is probably the most important, because when you're here, you want to kind of experience what the locals are eating.
I will be going to Autentico this year.
That's right. The culinary scene of a destination is impactful for our travelers, and it is also a vital part of life for the locals who live here. Aruba may be a small island, but with more than 96 nationalities, our one happy island is home to a world of flavors. The many cuisines found here reflect our rich cultural diversity. Autentico is a culinary festival created to showcase this diversity, celebrating restaurants and food experiences that delight both visitors and the local community. Returning for its second year from October 11th to 19, the festival promises to highlight the very best and the most authentic of Aruba's culinary scene. But let's take a step back. What is that deep connection that people have with food? Why does it matter so much?
I am a very big foodie, actually.
Food is very important because after your long day of sunshine and beach, you need some good food.
How important would you say it is for you to go out and explore what the locals eat in a destination like Aruba?
So from a scale of 1 to 10, probably a 10.
I think it's important. I always like to get some of the local culture in when I'm traveling. So it's important to know what the local favorites are and things like that.
You know, food is a part of our culture.
Well, when you're on vacation, you also need good food and good drinks and just to enjoy yourself.
I had to ask, why do festivals like Autentico work? Why do you think festivals like this work?
It's a learning experience for people. It's something to talk about after. It's an option to try a variety of different foods, not just something specific.
I think that's the one place you can go for variety. Instead of going 5 miles here, 5 miles there, you have one central location to experience all the culinary differences.
You get taste at different restaurants, different cuisines, the food trucks, which we haven't really had, but we've had a lot of the local food and some of the fancier places, so it would be nice to have everything in one area to taste everything and to try everything out. Sounds amazing, actually.
Well, of course, you know, the restaurant goers, I think they would love it because that is really different. When, of course, you know, they want to try different restaurants, and of course, if they had this, you know, experience with the restaurants in Aruba, you know, they can just, you know, promote it.
Oh, absolutely. In the States, we have those types of festivals. And again, it gives a lot of exposure to the local restaurants, where traveling here for a week, you may not be able to experience all the restaurants that you want to experience.
Most of our tourists actually come back year to year. So most of them actually don't just come one time to Aruba. So you come to Aruba and sometimes you're accustomed just going to one place. So having this showcase gives them an opportunity to actually see the diversity that is out there.
Whether you are a traveler or a resident, why support Autentico? As a local, why do you support this?
I love to support my community, and supporting our restaurant is actually supporting our community. And I live here, so we help each other out.
I think it's important that people go to those because it's a local type of business, so they're giving back to the local business. You get a better feel for how hard these people are working to keep their businesses alive, and we want to support that.
It is quite simple. Food and culture are inseparable, and people naturally crave authentic cultural experiences.
Yeah, when you come from New York, New Jersey, you experience almost every type of food. So when you visit any island, and especially Aruba, you like to experience the Arubian food too.
Just to take in the local culture and have the experience.
Autentico highlights Aruba's unique culinary identity and positions the island as a leading food destination in the Caribbean. People want to be part of it, and they will be.
We come every year in September, but absolutely we would love to be here when they do it in October. It's a shame that we're going to miss it this year. Maybe we'll try for next year.
I actually missed my chance last year. I didn't get tickets, so this year I will definitely be going.
For more information or to buy tickets, visit autenticofestival.com.